Now we see the scenario here. We're having the flat file, column 1, column 2, column 3, A, B, C, X, Y, Z, A, B, C, R, F, U, A, B, C, V, F, R, V, F, R. So here we are having ABC, 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 and with duplication of data is there, and VFR, VFR, duplication of data is there, XYZ, and RFU are the unique data. So I want to split this unique columns into one table and duplicate columns into another table. So we go for the mapping now. Here we see, here we see. So the mapping, this is a flat file here, flat file, three column data, which is available in Informatica 10.2 server infra shared source files. This is the our Informatica source files URL. Now we go to designer. The mapping. So first the source file we have to get from sources. Instead of going for import from database, we go for import from file. There source files will get. We go for all files. This is a CSV dot extension. So we are three column data. Okay, we are getting here like this. The target table is there in the SQL, that is t underscore unique three column and t underscore dupe three column. So here we describe the table. Describe t underscore unique underscore recall is having column 3, column 1 and column 2, varchar 2. Like that, duplicate also we describe. This is also same, is having same structure. Now we want to transform the data unique into the this table and duplication into this table. We go for the ETL logic. Now you take this three column data flat file and drop here. Automatically Informatica source qualifier will be creates. Then we go for aggregated transformation. So in that aggregated transformation, we are creating column 1 group by and count rec. We are taking an output new field like count rec, and we are giving the expression here count column 1. So we are here aggregating, yes, sorry, we are group buying column 1. That's why we are counting the column 1. So if there is any, here we get 1, 2, 3, like that we will get any number of occurrences. If the duplication of data is thrice, we get 3 times. Once we get the 1 time. Now we drag and drop all fields into router transformation. Now the router transformation is column 1, column 2, column 3, count underscore rec. The groups we create. So who is having data? If suppose here we are in the flat file, we are having the data here ABC, XYZ. So first we see here ABC, 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 ABC is having thrice. So here count becomes 3. XYZ count is 1. and RFU count is 1, VFR count is 2. Now what we are doing in the router transformation, we are count equal to 1. It means the unique record has to go to the unique column. That's why in this group we are assign these two here, and the remaining things will go to the duplicate column. We are assign these two here. If the condition is satisfied, all the records come to here. If the condition is failed, remaining records come to here. Okay, go to transformation. Sorry, workflow transformation. Here s underscore m underscore alternative records, not alternative records. Here unique and do m underscore fr table unique underscore do underscore do. Okay, done. Here mapping we see. So sorry, it's not this one. Mapping. Underscore ff. This is a flat file now, so we have to get the flat file table underscore unique underscore do. We already created the workflow, that's why I'm searching. Now we see here, go to mapping, so which is a flat file. So you're having the reader is file reader, and we see the file properties also, which is a delimited file because it is delimited with the comma na? That's why it's a delimited. The delimited everything we'll see in the our sessions. A video is posted, you can see. Okay, there is no problem in this. Okay, next. Okay, here t underscore unique 3 call is appointed to target with a relational writer, which is a relational writer we have to use for the Oracle. Is a relational writer. This one is file reader. It's a file reader. Is a relational table. That's why it's giving relational writer. T underscore do 3 column is also point to target. Okay, apply. Okay, save. Sorry. So this failed. Go to workflow. This unique. Go. So starting execution workflow imploder. Key error. Copy data. Okay. Okay. Okay, it is giving error. Which error we see here? Go to get session log. three column data, do unique three column. Okay, start workflow, succeed. Okay, you see here source 722. Okay, so here we are selected another mapping, this one, but this is router, we are using the router now, router transformation. So we check the output here, select unique column RFU and XYZ. We see the here in the flat file is there now. So we go for the flat file. The flat file is having RFU and XYZ are unique columns. So we are getting here unique columns RFU and XYZ, and the duplicate columns are ABC and BFR. Okay. Like this, we will separate duplicate and unique records. Just we go here aggregator transformation. In the aggregator transformation, we are taking the one column as count by aggregating this by group by. We are getting the number of occurrence through that. If the occurrence is one, we take this a new group, means this is a unique record. This is duplicate records. Like that, we are storing. Thank you. Please subscribe and share.